welcome back to my channel. So the update from Bbnaija show today is that Groovy and Phyna have officially break up. Yeah, that's what is happening this morning. So their issue started yesterday. Groovy was of the opinion that Phyna shouldn't drink, that she doesn't like the way Phyna drinks, that whenever she drinks, she misbehave, and that whenever she wants to drink, she should always seek permission from him. So Phyna was like, yesterday was the only time I didn't seek permission from you before I drank because I wanted to do it. That was what I feel like. If you don't like my alcohol intake, you can leave, blah, blah, blah. Omo, that was what happened though. So the thing caused issue between the both of them. They were angry, and then when they went for the Friday night arena game, they also clashed because they were in different teams. And although Phyna team won the game last night, Phyna team won the pocket game yesterday, but Groovy and some other housemates were angry that while they were playing their own game, some other housemates were making side comment, and even Phyna said one or two things. And Phyna was like, I didn't say anything to you, I didn't mock you, I didn't laugh at you, and all that. But Groovy was still angry, and then they revisited their matter again about alcohol intake. And then this morning, yesterday, they ate differently, and then they slept on different beds. So this morning, Groovy woke up and went to tell Phyna this.
Let's just have that breathing space, and then obviously we need to go to that. There's no need for us to be having this back and forth. The whole level already knows our matter.
The level knows our matter.
Everybody already knows our matter. So like,
the level knows our matter. Is all you're telling me. Is all you're telling me.
I mean, they know clearly I'm not a good person.
No, I'm breaking up this. I'm sure.
Yes, that was what he said. And then after everything, he said they need space, that he wants to, give her space, let them just think about everything again. And then Phyna responded by saying, so you're breaking up with me? Then he said, no, I'm not breaking up with you, but I need space. But we all know this is breakfast, and it was served in the morning. Guys, Phyna and Groovy have officially broken up. Yeah. Phyna and Groovy officially broke up. That's the update right now. They've ended their relationship. They are 3 or 4 weeks relationship. They've ended it now. And that's what I have for you. So stay tuned to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment, for more updates.